So what's up guys, we're back again. Today we are going to play some games, okay? Some cool games, okay? So we are going to play some again shooting games, fighting games, okay? So let's get right into it. Okay? So let's get right into it. So you can see I have a wallpaper, okay? So if you have watched this anime, you can comment it down below. What is this anime called? What its act character called? So we are going to play some not play some watch some what can I say reaction videos, reaction no, games. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so I'm going to do this. Then so we are going to play Frag. Okay, so Frag is a game that we're going to that will blow your mind up. Okay, will blow your minds up. Okay, so Frag War 2.0. So in this game you have to kill the opponent. So there will be one team, blue team and red team. Okay, so you have to collect characters that have abilities, and you have to kill them the opponent. Okay, so wait a second, it's loading. It's taking a little bit of time. So it has 100%. But why isn't it this 100%? So I have done the tutorial already. So you guys won't get. So these are the characters. Okay. So these are the characters. When you start the game, you get these five characters. Okay. These five characters. So if you click on one character, look now. I click on info. Okay. So his name is Dr. Frost, level one. Okay. So we can upgrade. Okay. So we need frags to upgrade them. Okay. So his weapon is freezing gun and alcohol and frag power. So this is not unlocked yet, but his base damage is blah 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 blah. So we can change the skin as well, but we need. Okay, so I was just seeing what was that. So we can change the skin, but we need this. Okay, you can get it by playing the game. Okay, automatically. So you can also upgrade your character. So I got this from a chest right now. Okay, free. I got this from a free chest. So I will use it. Use it. Hmm, Leukemia. Use. I'll take him. What was his ability? Not good. Okay, he's not that much good. So I will upgrade him. So if you upgrade the character, it will do more damage and more health. Okay. So look, now it's upgraded. Mecha King, and you get XP points. Okay. So so wait a second. I was just wait a second. Yes. So I'm in the main area. This is called the home area. Okay. So in this area, you can also I can upgrade this. Should I upgrade this character? Yes, I will upgrade this. It doesn't matter. Okay. So we have upgraded this. We got this level up XP. So we go in shop. This is the store. Okay. Free two diamonds. Okay, that's really good. Okay. Free two diamonds. Then I will want this guy. This character for 10, but I don't have 10. Okay, so I can change my team name. Okay. So let's name a team Zidane's Gaming. So ZIDANE Zidane Gaming. So done. So we got this. Okay, blah blah blah. So I can join this. I'll join this team. So I've joined that team. Clan you can say also. So what is here as well? Let's check what is there. Okay. Okay, I got coins. Rare card. Okay. That's nice. So we are finally going to play a match. Okay. So first I'm going to show there are game modes. Okay. 2v play load and street effect, and one is coming soon. Okay. So So let's get started. And arena. Okay. So if you get arena, you will have to. So okay, you can have already passed this area. Okay. Okay, I've already passed this area. So one Reno, okay. We can upgrade. We have to take a trophies and upgrade to new areas. And by upgrading, so now if I get 35 more trophies, okay, so I'll get these two characters option. So I'll take one of them, okay. So what is in character name? Calendar, sorry. So let's play. So what on tickets by winning? Yes. So the game has started. So let me do a little more game. So I know what to do. This is like the game we played, Free Fire. Do you remember, you guys? It's the same game, like, but it's different. The opponent is coming. Okay, I can go up here. Yes, I have. So we are going to kill him. This character is not good that much. So go attack. I'll help you guys. This is Dan. Johnny. Sorry. Okay. So no. Who is there? Oh no, this character is powerful. Why don't you guys attack this one? They attacked it already. So I want to destroy jetpack. We have to destroy. So you can. Oh no! You're not getting away. You're not getting away. Hey, you're not getting away. You know that, right? They're getting away. Attack. They will attack our base. No. Defense. Defenders. We need to kill them. I've taken the attack. You're not dying away. If I die, I will get a new character. No. You don't want to die. Don't. Okay. I have low health. That's not good. Okay, so I will use a jetpack when I get closer a little bit more. Cover me, please. I'll use the jetpack to get up here easily and I can do my stuff. Oh yeah. So we have won the battle, okay? So you can see like there is a character, this is win, okay? So we have crushed them by 3 stars. We have got 53, so we can get a new character, okay? What's this? No, I don't want to. Okay, so okay, I've got a chest. Unlock. Oh, I need diamonds. So don't use diamonds, by the way. It's not good, okay? No, get me. Yes, look, I've got 50, so I can collect. So which character should I take? Defense or attack? I think we should take attack. Oh yeah. So this is a ad. I'm really sorry. I'm really sorry. I hate ads. But this game has ads in it. Okay. Now look, you can see the symbol in it. I was talking about it now. You can get these. I need 50, okay. So I need 10 to get this skin, okay, 100. Okay. So you can get this skin by collecting this. Upgrade. I will upgrade him. More upgrade. Okay, so I think our level pass is not yet upgraded. So mission success. Missions. Okay. Ooh, we got 5 diamonds. So yes, this is. You can go in store. So you can see epic and rare. So we will go in these cards and check what's the damage of these. So this has 55 damage. Okay. Mom. So this is the 23 damage. Sniper and zoom. I think this is more jelly cube. Yes, this is more good. I think so. So we will collect this card. Oh yeah. What is down here? What happened? What happened? No, 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 no. Oh, I accidentally click it. Accidentally click it. No, that's why. So we'll use this card. No, 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 no. I don't have the card already. So we will take this. Yes, I think we'll take this. So what is in here? Okay, free diamonds. Okay, I got free diamonds. That's good. So what is this? 3 day. Get more diamonds. Sure. What is this? Oh, this is skins. Oh, these are skins. This character I don't have. So, fan base, fragis. No, 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 no. What is that? So, no, no, no. Where did I come? I left frag only. So, we are again going to reload. This happens a lot of time. I don't know why, but it glitched. But I want this character. Look, if you cut it in half, this character, it's like good. If you cut it in half, other half, it's like bad. Okay, it's half bad. Okay, I've got this character. I think. No, 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 no. No. I'm sorry. Okay. Frag Vola. Okay, so P1, P2. Sorry, that's P2. 100% it's almost. So it's loading. It takes a little bit there. I don't know. It's 100%, but it's 100%, but it's like I can explain. So what game should we play? No, we can't play that. Okay. We will play the battle. No, battle. Yes, yes, battle. So we will battle and get more trophies. Okay. Okay, what team it is it? 68, 68. Okay, that's good. That means okay. I know how to do it. Now look, if I go near and do my ability, they are shocked. Look, this character is awesome. No, if you get close to other characters and use this special ability, they are shocked. Isn't it? Isn't it cool? Huh? Okay, it's almost done. It's almost done. Oh my god, I was shocked. Anybody here? I thought anybody. Someone. No, you're not getting away. Oh no. No, 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 no. No, no, no. No, 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 no. No, no, I'm stunned. No, I'm stunned. No, I'm stunned. No, I died. So if you die, no. So if you die, you can choose a character. Okay, so I have choose this character. I'll kill you. Cute. Now there will be no character coming in for a little bit of while. No, 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 cube, 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 cube. Why is nobody attacking? Huh? I'll take this character. This character is awesome. So we need to attack. I got a kill. So I killed that character also. Hey, this character is awesome. That's huge, Jamie. I'll protect you guys. Go. Go, you guys. I'll protect you. Go, guys. Protect. It's important. Shield. 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 Get out. Get out. Oh yeah. Our team did it. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. We defeated them. So we won. So we won. So season XP 900, max flag strike 6, MVP. Okay, he was the MVP. After how many? After how many can we get a we can get the eagle character. That's good. The eagle character is cancel. So we can get the eagle character. This eagle character, no, it's really good. It does awesome damage, and I mean by awesome. Okay, so don't mind this. Okay, don't mind the ad. Okay, I will skip it. Okay, no, don't mind the ad. It's stupid. So we're going to use him instead of Dr. Freeze. But Dr. Freeze is not good enough to be in our team, okay? Dr. Freeze is not good really. We got to upgrade level. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. So I'm upgrading this character, so we'll do more damage. How much damage does whoa 48 48 damage. Let's get this. And let's fight. 2 battle win strike. Okay, that's good. Another stick heck dog. What is this? Attack. Put the shield. Nobody can attack for a while. I'll go forward for now. Go. Put the shield. Team attack. I'm going up. No one will notice me. This character has noticed me. You are new. You're new. So I'll go in and put the shield here so nobody can attack me. Ha ha ha. Isn't this character awesome? No? Isn't this character awesome? Reload. Go in and just do what I want. So it's still attacking, and we have won the battle and victory cross the match. Yeah, baby. So that's it for what is this? No, no, no. That's it for today, guys. What is here? Okay, the special offer. Season pass? No, no, no. That season pass. No, I don't want it, okay? You are a noob. You are a noob, noob, noob. Okay, okay. Season pass. Daily, weekly, season, character. Play online battles with Rick Rock. Okay. So that's it for today, guys. So bye.